Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to make text bigger on WhatsApp. Stay tuned. So carefully see how to text bigger on WhatsApp. So go to open the anyone chat like Facebook. So these are the texts are normal and small. So you have to go back and go to three dots and simply go to settings and click to chat, and there is font size. Click to font size and I will select the large one. So previous one medium, so I will select on large one. So I will check it was bigger or not. So I will again open Facebook. So you see this chat and fonts are large size converted from medium. This is how to set bigger text on WhatsApp. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon.